Guys, Lens here, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix your iPad and possible solution in fixing your iPad. So if you have already tried your charging cable and your wall charger with your iPad and it is not coming on, this video is for you. So I am going to give you some possible solution to fix this issue. And first, you want to do a force restart. You want to hold the power button, which is right here, and also you want to hold the home button together. This should take about 15 to 20 seconds for you to see the Apple logo. So if your iPad is not turning on, you want to hold these two buttons and then you can release the buttons when you see the Apple logo comes on. So this is a quick fix for these issues such as black screen or if your iPad is not turning on. I am going to also show you possible things that you can do to fix this issue. Another thing that you can do a factory reset. You can do this by going to general, and just want to bring the iPad closer. You want to go by general in the settings, then you want to scroll down. You will see reset here. You want to reset the iPad. In doing so, you will lose all your data, so I recommend that you do a backup of your information, or you can do a iCloud backup as well. So guys, you want to erase all content and also settings. It will ask for your passcode. You then enter your passcode and you then reset your iPad. So I'm going to show you another step in which you can fix this issue. So guys, the other thing in which I am going to do, I am going to plug up the USB cable to my computer, and what you want to do while doing so, you want to hold the home button and your screen should come on with the iTunes logo. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to plug in the charger while holding the home button. So you want to hold the home button, keep holding the home button. Damn. So once you hold the home button like this, you will see that the Apple logo with this USB cable. You will see iTunes here. So guys, you will also see a USB driver detected on your computer. Let me go ahead and show you that right now. See that the driver is right here, and this should pop up iTunes. So iTunes is right here, and this will ask you if you will like to restore or update your iPad. It says, is there a problem with the iPad that requires it to be updated or restored? So what you want to do here, you want to click update, and it will download the iOS and it will just do the update step by step. Right, so this is what you need to do if you are experiencing that your iPad is not turning on successfully. Right guys, so when it comes to the iPad itself, as I state, if you are not seeing anything on the screen and you are seeing that it is detected on your computer, you will most likely have to get a screen replacement. It will either be the screen is damaged or the IC for the screen. So definitely you will have to take your iPad to a tech shop to be repaired properly. So guys, my name is Lens. I hope that this was helpful. Guys, if it happened that you are not able to get your iPad on, I suggest that you analyze your charger. Make sure that your cable is working properly and also the adapter. Those are very essential for the perfect charging up of your iPad. So you can also check those. If this was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. I'm out. I'll see you soon.